If shoulder pain wakes you up at night, you can't get comfortable on your favorite side, and you're stiff every single morning, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through one simple test in your favorite sleeping position, the #1 exercise I give people before bed for night shoulder pain, and a quick retest so you can feel how much pressure comes off your shoulder tonight. You can literally do this exercise with a belt or a dog leash on your bed or couch. I'm Dr. Joey Seyforth, online shoulder rehab specialist with Combat Performance. We help active adults permanently fix shoulder pain by targeting the root cause, your neck, upper back, shoulder blade, shoulder joint, and nerves, so you can keep lifting, working, playing sports, and sleeping without surgery, endless PT, or guessing. Night shoulder pain is one of the most common things I see, and almost no one is shown how to actually treat the system, not the symptom, that's causing it. Here's what most people do. Flip to the other side, stack more pillows, take something for pain and hope they can knock out. Maybe stretch the shoulder a bit before bed. The problem? None of that changes the big 5 areas actually driving your night pain. Here are the 5 areas that can impact sleep and shoulder pain. The neck. If the neck doesn't move and stack well, the shoulder has to compensate just to lie in certain positions. Next is the thoracic spine or your upper back. If your upper back can't extend and rotate, you twist and load the shoulder joint more when you roll over or reach in bed. Third is the shoulder blade. If the scap doesn't move up and around your rib cage, you compress the bursa, the rotator cuff, and the bicep tendon in a small space on top of the shoulder. 4 is the shoulder joint. The ball should drop, roll, and glide in the socket. With a stiff, irritated shoulder, that ball tends to stay sucked up, making sidelining brutal. And number 5 is nerves and first rib. This is the big one for night pain. Nerves start up in your neck and travel down around the first rib into the shoulder and arm. When the first rib is stiff and the nerve bundle under it is compressed, laying on that side dumps more pressure into the nerve and everything lights up. You can stretch muscles over and over, feel looser for a bit, and then wake up feeling like Groundhog Day. It's because the nerves and first rib were never addressed. The exercise I'm going to show you goes straight after the first rib and nerve bundle. But first, let's test your real problem. Get into your favorite sleeping position that usually bothers your shoulder. That might be laying on your painful side or laying on your back with the arm in a certain spot. Settle into it like you're about to fall asleep. Notice exactly where you feel the discomfort in your shoulder. Now rate that on a 0 to 10 scale. 0 meaning no discomfort, 10 there's no way I can fall asleep like this. Remember that number. We'll come back and retest it after the exercise. Now for the #1 exercise I give people before bed for night shoulder pain, it is called belt first rib mobs. You can do this sitting on the edge of the bed. Take a belt, dog leash, or strap and loop it over the top of the painful side shoulder across the upper trap. Grab the belt with both hands, gently pulling down to create firm but comfortable pressure on the top of the shoulder, right where that first rib and nerve bundle live. You will then take your neck and look down and in as if to sniff your armpit on the side you are targeting, and then look up and away at a diagonal. Do 2 sets of 15 slow reps like this on both sides. Here's what this is doing. That downward belt pressure helps mobilize the first rib, which sits under those tight upper trap muscles. The belt pressure and the neck movement slacken the nerve bundle that run from your neck under that first rib into your shoulder and arm. You're getting the nerves to slide and the rib to move instead of just stretching the muscles that keep going back into protection mode. You should feel a firm pressure on the top of your shoulder and a mild stretch along the side of your neck. Stay in the green and yellow zone. Green feels like a good stretch or pressure. Yellow, mild nerve tension that settles quickly. If it gets to red, where you're having sharp burning or strong zings down the arm, back off. This is one drill that for many people immediately changes how their shoulder feels lying on that side. By the way, if you want a full 5-minute bedtime routine that stacks this drill with a few others so your shoulder stays calm all night, watch this video. For now, let's see what this one exercise does for you. Here's what this looks like in real life.
I could basically not lay on my left shoulder. I couldn't find any position of comfort to be able to get a decent night's sleep, and you had given me the where I use the dog strap over the top of my shoulder, and I was like, that's crazy how that could happen just that quick, you know.
This client struggled for years to sleep on that shoulder. Using this exact belt rib mob along with the rest of his plan, he finally got back to sleeping pain-free throughout the night. Now let's retest. Get back into that same sleeping position from the beginning. Lie there for a few seconds and notice how it feels now. Rate it again 0 to 10. If your number dropped even a couple points, that tells you your night shoulder pain isn't just getting older or you slept wrong. You changed how the first rib and nerve bundle are being loaded. With consistency, that's how you stop waking up every night from the same pain. Bell rib nobs are one powerful piece, but remember, your shoulder doesn't live alone. Your neck, thoracic spine, shoulder blade, shoulder joint, and nerves, aka the big five, all work together. If you keep stretching tight muscles, stacking pillows, and waking up stiff anyway, it's usually because the nerve and first rib never got addressed, the scap and joint never learned to move and sit better, and the upper back and neck are still forcing the shoulder to compensate. If you want to see how all 5 pieces fit together with simple tests and exercises for each, grab my free Big 5 Shoulder Fix training using the link in the description. It walks you through the exact framework we use to get people lifting, working, and sleeping without fear. And if you're tired of waking up every night with shoulder pain and you want a plan that assesses your Big 5, lets you keep lifting, and helps you finally sleep through the night, then text me the word PAIN to 720-710-4371 to get a tailored step-by-step approach on how to permanently fix your shoulder pain. Our mission at Comeback Performance is to help over 1 million people around the world eliminate their shoulder pain, avoid unnecessary imaging, injections, and surgeries, and get their lives back. After you reach out, please like and subscribe to the channel. We're putting out daily content based on your guys' questions on shoulder-related topics regarding pain and rehab. At Comeback Performance, the comeback is always stronger than the setback.